Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss about mocking in unit testing. So we have discussed that one of the main purpose of unit testing is to provide isolation. And mocking is the technique which help us to provide isolation in unit testing. It basically helps to replace external dependencies in our code unit with some objects that simulate the behavior of those dependencies. So it do this with the help of test doubles. These are also called replacement objects. So some of the popular test doubles are fakes, stubs, mocks. Now let's discuss in detail about these test doubles. So first we will discuss about stubs. So stub is a simplified implementation of an dependency that return predefined responses, and it had it does not have verification logic. Like we can take an example. Let's suppose I have a function in which I am calling some external dependency in which we are getting the grade of all the students. So in the original flow, we will go to the database and fetch all the details. But now when we are testing that unit, we have to replace that with some fake method. So our example of our stub can be that we have created one method which is returning some predefined responses. Like suppose in this example, I can store the grade of all the students in some array or hash maps, and then I can return whenever that function will be called. So here we are not taking some arguments, we are not verifying the logic here, and we don't have any expectations. So it is a simplified version. For more control, we have mocks. So mocks provide more control and flexibility than stubs. So like the same example we can take. Let's suppose in the previous example we have created one simplified function in which we have stored all the grade of the students and we are returning. Now in that function I can add some expectations, like if the argument is this, then I will return this. Let's suppose if uh, let's suppose we are taking one argument like is admin, then only we will return the grades of all the students. Otherwise we will not return, we will return only the grade of that student which is looking that, which is calling that function. So in that case we have added some extra conditions, and mock will verify the interactions with the dependencies, control the output, and also verify the interaction with dependencies. And as it mentioned, it assert expectations about how the code use the dependency. Let's discuss about fakes. So as we have seen, like with mocks and stubs, we are creating a simple implementation of dependency in which we are returning, we don't care about the logic here there. In fakes, we are creating a more realistic version of the dependency with limited capabilities. For example, a fake web service, email service. For this, we can take an example. Like let's suppose some user login in our website or sign up in our website. In that case, what we actually do, we verify its credential with the credential present in our database. And if the user is signing up, we are storing that in our database. So if we are testing that, we have to create a realistic version, because if the user sign up and its data is stored previously its data was storing in the database, and now we have to store in our fake database, which we can take as a hash map here. And once again, if the user login, then we can verify from the hash map. So in this way, we can implement a fake. So these are the three test doubles through which we can ensure isolation in our unit testing. We will see the implementation of these test doubles in Golang. So subscribe to this channel for the update. Thank you.